Greetings and welcome to another episode on the Blue Book Society's channel. Here, we delve into the fascinating world of travel, diverse cultures, and current global happenings. Today, we're stirring up the traveler in you with a fresh brew of insights. We'll be unraveling the top 5 travel tips for March 2024. These tips are designed to make your journeys smoother, safer, and a whole lot more fun. So, buckle up and get ready to jot down these top 5 travel tips for March 2024. Diving right in, the first tip is to embrace technology. As we're in 2024, there's an app for practically everything, and travel is no exception. From language translators to local guides, the digital world is your oyster. For instance, consider GeoCultura, an app that curates cultural events based on your location, ensuring you never miss out on the local flavor. Moving on to tip number 2, always, and I mean always, pack a versatile wardrobe. March is a tricky month, weather-wise. It could be spring in one part of the world and still winter in another. So, pack layers and items that can easily transition from day to night or cold to warm weather. Trust me, a versatile wardrobe can be a lifesaver when you're on the move. With these 2 tips in your pocket, your travel experience is bound to be smoother and more enjoyable. But wait, there's more. Moving on to our next set of tips. Firstly, embrace digital nomadism. With the surge of remote work, why not combine work and travel? Explore new cities, cultures, and experiences while maintaining your professional commitments. It's a fine balance, but an exhilarating one. Secondly, consider ecotourism. As travelers, we bear a responsibility towards our planet. Opt for destinations promoting sustainable practices. Seek out accommodations that prioritize environmental conservation. Every small step counts towards preserving our beautiful world for future generations. Lastly, don't forget to check the local weather before packing. March is a transitional month globally. You might find yourself in the midst of spring blossoms or late winter snowfall. So pack wisely and be prepared for all possible weather conditions. And those were the top 5 travel tips for March 2024. Remember, a well-prepared traveler is a happy traveler. We hope you found these tips useful for your March 2024 travel plans. To recap, we've covered everything from packing smart to choosing the right accommodation. We encourage you to implement these strategies for a seamless journey. Now, if this video has given you some new insights, do give it a thumbs up. We'd love to hear about your favorite tip in the comments. Share the knowledge with fellow wanderers, and remember to subscribe to the Blue Book Society's channel. Safe travels, everyone.